Hello and welcome to the 340 Club. In this video, we'll be solving this question. 1 over 8 exponent 4x minus 9 equals 64 exponent 3x plus 1. So let's begin. The first thing we'll do is to make the bases the same. So I'll write both of them in the base of 2. So 1 over 8 is 2 exponent negative 3 and 64 is 2 exponent 6. So our equation now looks like this. Now the next step is to apply this rule of exponents that says a to the power x, all of that to the power y is equal to a to the power x times y. What that means is that in a case like this, I can multiply the exponents. So our equation now becomes this after I multiply the exponents. Now we have both sides in a base of 2. So we know if the bases are the same, we can equate the exponents. If a to the power x equals a to the power y, then x is equal to y. So we have minus 3 times 4x minus 9 is equal to 6 times 3x plus 1. So expand the brackets. You have minus 12x plus 27 is equal to 18x plus 6. Group like terms. You have 18x plus 12x equals 27 minus 6. And you have 30x equals 21. Therefore, x equals 7 over 10. So that's how you solve a question like this. Like this video, leave a comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.